Hey guys, so here is a potential thousands of dollars airdrop you need to post position for. We have the Billions network, a very simple airdrop to start farming, as well as this Flow3 Depin Airdrop as well. So I'll be giving you guide on how to farm these two airdrop in this video, the Billion network and the Flow3 network. This is a Depin airdrop, this is an alpha. So I'll just go ahead and start doing the farming. I'm just gonna start registering on this Billion network. So I'll select join Billions network. I'll continue with Google, sign up with Google, and proceed. So let me go right into it. So I've completed the sign up, and upon sign up you receive this 420 power to you receive free airdrop mining. Then the daily task is to claim daily login daily to claim rewards. I'll click on click and earn 25 power for logging in. Then because I selected Google, I was automatically verified by email. Then for this email communication, I will opt in for it so that I can earn this 200 power as well. So I'll click on verify and earn also. So I've gotten that. So now I'll connect my Ethereum address. So I'm gonna be connecting my Metamask or OKX wallet, whichever. I'll just connect so that I can get. And that's it. So I think I've connected. They should bring a sign in button, a sign in option so that I can get this. So now here is it. End on there for connecting wallet, 50 for verifying your wallet. Okay. So I've connected this, complete verification. I'll click on this complete verification, ENX domain. You should just bring it. Oh. That's not coming up. So the next tax is this X tax, the X follower. You're gonna follow this account, Billion network on X, then the proving authority on X as well. Then mention and earn. So this mention and earn, let me click on mention and earn. This is gonna be a Twitter post. This mention and earn, it's gonna be a Twitter post. So let's see that. You connect your wallet, you connect your Hex. So I'll come back to click on this. So I just sent Billion a email something I'll post. So I've shared that post and I think I should be rewarded now. Let me do this verify and earn. So basically, the task you have to do on this let me go back. On this Billion something, the Billion network is mostly X task. You complete the X task, then log in daily to earn daily airdrops, to earn the daily points or token. I don't know which one we are farming now. maybe it is point or token. So another so now let's go to the what's it called, the Flow network. They've not verified this. They also have given me for mentioning. Okay, this has been verified. Then this verify, and then let's see. I'm just trying to make sure I follow the X post, because I noticed that most people register and maybe the newbie or something. When some people register, they don't understand that you have to complete some task for you to earn. You just think maybe everything is automatic. I don't know. So you see how I just got these points, and I think I've been migrated to level 2, and this is it. So same thing, I'm just gonna repost for this repost this tweet. I'm just trying to show you guys the mandatory tasks that you have to do. Then the daily task is just come here to check in every 24 hours to earn 25 power. So now let's go to the Flow3 network, which is the Depin network. As usual, the Depin Airdrop, you have to download the extension on your Chrome browser. So after you must have downloaded the extension, copy the platform link of the website link and paste it to your mobile, your wallet browser, or if you're using a PC, you can do it on a PC. If you don't have a PC, make sure you are using Mrs. browser, so you can download your extension to your Mrs. browser. Download Flow3 extension. I'll be dropping the links to sign up on this Billion network and this Flow3 network in the description box of this video. Check out the link, sign up, as well as the link to download the extension as well. And also, if you are here to join my Telegram community, check the link to my Telegram channel in the description box or the pin post in the comment section. So I'll click on connect, because I've already downloaded the extension. You download the extension, paste this registration link on your wallet browser. Then you are saying connect, click on connect. Then I'll just enter my Phantom wallet. After you must have downloaded the extension and you enter this link on your browser, you are going to sign up with Phantom wallet. You can see, select Phantom wallet, which is a Solana wallet. So I'm going to register. I'm going to log into my Phantom and activate and log in. So I've logged in using my Phantom wallet. Same thing if you're just signing up, if you're just joining, all you need to do is to just connect your Phantom wallet. That's the registration process. Connect your Phantom wallet, and because you've downloaded the extension, you'll see your network quality here automatically. This network quality will be the your estimated earnings, like what you'll be earning from the Depin. The stronger your network quality, the higher your rewards. That's just a simple arithmetic to this. The stronger your network, the higher your rewards. So this is for this Flow3 network. You just leave it and let it keep running, and make sure you are always connected as usual, the way the Depin Airdrop are. So guys, this is the update on the Billion network and the Flow3 network airdrop farming. Get position, sign up and start farming. Get the registration links in the description box of this video. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to my YouTube channel, turn on your notification bell, and you'll be notified of my back-to-back updates. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.